So we're going to look at the wing challenge. And in this challenge, you are going to need to design your wings. And if you watch the other video, it will go through all of the requirements for the challenge. But I'm going to talk about what you do in Tinkercad. First, you're going to need this wing connector. And you just go ahead and click on it. Google has no clue what it is. So you just go ahead and download it. It will go onto your Chromebook in the Downloads folder. Then when you go into Tinkercad, the first thing you're going to do is go over to the Import button. And you want to import that file. So you're going to choose a file. And yours is going to look a little different because yours is on your Chromebook, but you're going to go to your Downloads, click on Wing Connector, and open. Do not change any of the things in this box. Just click Import. And when it's done thinking, then here's your wing connector. Okay. Do not resize this. This is the perfect size for your airplane. All right, so now let's go ahead and make our wing. I'm just going to bring out and make a simple square rectangular wing. The instructions say it can't be bigger than 80 millimeters in any direction. And also it should be 1 millimeter tall. So I made it 80 millimeters in this direction, and I made it 1 millimeter tall. Okay, and if I'm going to put my connector on, I'm actually going to need to rotate this thing around. So I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. Okay, and then I'm going to want it on my wing. Okay, so I'm going to stick it on my wing here. Okay, now I need it to be up above the wing, so it's just touching the wing. So I'm going to raise it up 1 millimeter. So there's 1 millimeter right there. Okay, now we need to align this. We need to put the wing connector on the edge of the wing, and we need to center it. Now, if your wing design does not have it centered in the wing, that's fine, but it must be on the edge of the wing, or it will not fit on your glider. So I'm going to select them both, use my Align tool. I'm going to center it. Then I'm also going to bring it to the front. Okay, so now I have it there. I'm going to group them. Good. There's my first wing. Now, if I have the same design for my second wing, all I have to do is copy and paste. Boom, I have 2 wings. Now, if your wing has, say, a slant on it, so it's direction depending on which side of the airplane it's on, you can also use the mirror tool to make it for the other side of the airplane. So once you're done, then you're going to label it your name, wing final, and you're going to mark it as done in Google Classroom, and then you'll get your wings to print out and fly.